This is a quick run through of exercise of segment of part 6C of the Core 2 book. It gives you the formula for the area of a segment. This is the formula. A segment is this little section that's cut off by a chord, and all you need to know is the angle you would get if you went up to the center. It must be measured in radians, or at least that angle must be. If your calculator's in degree mode, nobody will ever know if you put an angle in degrees in there, but that one absolutely has to be in radians. The radius will be that. So for example 10 would go there, and if that was pi over 3, then a pi over 3 would go there and there. So for example, in the exercise, they have this is the diameter of a circle. That's A, that's C, and that's B. They cut up to C, then down to B, and then also to the center. So that's R and that's R. And this is their measure here. And we are told that the area of AOC, so that triangle there, is 3 times the area of the shaded segment, which is this. So is becomes an equal sign. So the area of this is 3 times the area of that. We have a formula for the area of that. It's, as I said before, half r squared theta minus sine theta. What's the area of this? Well, that's pi minus theta, because remember pi is 180. Let's just use the area of a triangle formula there. I'm just going to copy this fella out separately. That's r, that's also r. That's theta minus, that's pi minus theta. Let's label this C, C, A, B, B. So by the area of a triangle, half AB sine C, we have half AB sine C. So that's simplifying to half r squared sine theta minus pi minus theta equals 3 over 2 r squared theta minus sine theta. Now our goal is to show that 3 theta minus 4 sine theta equals 0. I'm going to double both sides and divide both sides by r squared. Now, this I can use an auxiliary angle formula. Remember, auxiliary angles is the principle that all sine, cos and tan questions about big angles can be reduced to questions about small angles. So for example, sine of 179 is equal to sine of 1, or tan of 359 is equal to negative tan 1. This angle here is always the angle between the full swing of that and the x-axis, and whether you put a negative on or not is just determined by the ASTC cast diagram business. So this, for example, could be 180 minus 1, that then just becomes sine of 1. Just expanding this bracket. So 4 sine theta equals 3 theta. So in other words, 3 theta minus 4 sine theta equals 0.